we have very shitty tires, which is actually quite good because even if traction control is kicking in, the tires are like, nah bro, I'm not stopping. Actually, it's not nah bro, I'm not stopping. It's like, товарищ, мы не будем останавливаться. This is the first time I'm speaking Russian on the channel. Not really. Actually, shouldn't be the товарищ. It should be командир. Что за пиздец? Ёбаный насос, давай, сука, блядь, хули ты не едешь? That's more appropriate. Come on, traction control, you piece of sophisticated technology to make sure that average drunken Russian will not go in the wall. Oh, carousel and traction control, we're gonna get destroyed. You know what, I'm just gonna get out. Martin was looking like, is he gonna crash into me? Давай, блядь, Porsche. Машину купила, как ездить не купил, блядь. That's what my dad used to say. Блядь, твою мать. Да на, блядь, поворачивай. Now everybody gonna think that I don't know how to drive for shit. Which is occasionally true. Come on! Нихуя себе, блядь! Ну, давай, газуй, блядь! Нахуй я четвертую воткнул. I mean, we're the same family. This is essentially Renault Logan, which is essentially Dacia Logan. Only difference is, he does not carry traction control on board. Блядь, вижу я тебя, твою мать. Не слепые, в отличие от некоторых. Те, кто, блядь, создавали эту машину, блядь, и придумали... давайте, блядь, поставим наилучшую технологию.
Lada Vesta conquered the Nürburgring racetrack. Driver Mikhail Sharudin drove the domestic bucket in the same flow as Porsche and BMW. He managed to accelerate to 160 kilometers per hour. During the entire video, he could only overtake one car and constantly swore because the jalopy wouldn't go.